Hi, this is Jackie here. Thanks for commissioning this Optimus Prime with me, and now I'm going to show you how to actually attach all the weapons and on-off switch for LEDs. Okay, let's start with the opener for LEDs. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a opener. So when you use a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, to open this up, you can actually see 3 battery holders, and this 2 is actually for the RIP, side RIP, and this is for the eyes LEDs. So definitely the switches for the RIPs is here, and for the eyes is here as well. So to change the LEDs, to change the batteries, actually what you do is the advisable way is actually to slowly use a sharp thin screwdriver to pop it up, because there is 2 holder here, so try not to break it, but it's easy. You just have to experiment it yourself and you get a hold of it, and should be no problem. So let's proceed to turning on the LEDs. Okay, for LEDs, the side RIP here, as you can see, okay, there's 2 switched up and down. Okay, for up you just switch inwards and there is a switch on, and for down you just switch another way and it will be turned on. Okay, if let's say there is no lights here, what we can do is actually we can use a small screwdriver to actually tickle the wire, the small wire, and the connection will be there. So perhaps it's due to the gluing, so usually the lights will be turned on. Yeah, so not to worry about this portion. Okay, usually it will on after some tickling of wires. And for the eyes is the on-off switch is here, so you just turn it on this way, and the LEDs just will being light on. Okay, so this is the portions on the LEDs. Okay, for this so-called the antenna, usually if you want to actually switch it to a down mode, you can actually turn it down and then switch on to this position. Okay, but not to overexert the force. Okay, switch it down, and this part can be swiveled up and down, so the antenna will be height from the so-called the back. Okay, so okay, and now I'm going to show you how to insert the gun. Okay, this is actually the barrel behind the so-called the mode here. So it is actually the toy portions. There is actually, for the slot of this, you can actually slot it in here. Okay, you just slot it inside here. Okay, it's very easy. And for the other piece, if there is a trouch here, just slot it with the hole here, another hole here. Okay, it can be transformed to a gun if you want. It's quite easy. Okay, so it's very user friendly. Okay, so that's for the back portion. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to actually operate the 2 knives. Okay, the 2 knives is actually very easy, and the on-off switch is here. So you just on the switch upwards, and the lights will kind of shine down, and here goes the same, upward, and there is a light here. And for the so-called insertion, for this portion here, just remember there's a sharp portion here. The sharp portion, it will be the top left hand corner, and there will be a so-called a inserter. Just insert it onto the hands itself, okay, for the robot mode. Okay, so all this portion is the same, the sharp part on the right hand portion, and the inserter is here, and just insert to the left of the hand. Okay, so that's for the robot version. Okay, just for the robot version. Okay, so next video I will show you how to actually operate the jack in.